Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm all the way down in Mandurah to take a 587 deviation service via, first of all, Meadow Spring Shopping Centre, and then also it goes via, now this is not a deviation, but all day, every day, all the time it goes via John Tonkin College, TAFE and Murdoch University campus, the Mandurah one, which is very weird that on non-school days it goes through there and actually does a loop to get there, so I'll film that too. TV 2221, 2221 over there. I'm gonna hop on in a second and just film from the front all the way up to the shopping center, and then we can take another one back down once we get up there. Perth goes 2223 with a Metronet ad on the back. Building for tomorrow. I mean. Here we are. This is the Lakeland, not Lakelands. The Lakeland Shopping Centre is the terminus of that route. This is the Meadow Spring Shopping Centre. Can't even see where it is though. Just down there, and just, I don't know, just a little shopping centre. I don't get the point of the deviation. I mean, the whole route is pretty useless. Well, the whole route is pretty unneeded. It just serves areas a bit further east and up on the main road, which is just over there, where two other routes already go anyway, so I don't get the point of deviating to the eastern side of the shopping centre. Neither do I get the point of deviating on that tiny little road to the John Tonkin College thing, and it's like in the bush, and there's absolutely no one there because it's closed. Why travel via there, doing a loop through there to pass the same spot twice for no reason? And then coming down here, there's two stops on either side of the road. When the bus turns left, then it comes here, it goes all the way up to the roundabout, which is quite a way, about 200 meters up, and then U-turns and comes back down. The stops are usually here, but there seems to be a lot of disability upgrade works at the moment, and the stop's actually meant to be around the corner, which is where I'm going to wait for the next 587, which is already coming. I'm going to wait for it here at the temporary bus stop around the corner. See? There's a temporary stop here, but the driver didn't even stop there. So I'll just wait here and stop this driver here for the sake of it, because I like doing that. It's the more proper thing to do. $22.20, and another building for tomorrow out on the back. It's like almost the exact same bus. I'm not gonna film the deviation on the way back via the John Tonkin College. We're just gonna travel all the way back now. So the bus going there is a U-turn. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're ending at this temporary bus stop. I'm getting on board the bus, which is gonna come back right now. Bye. Today we're going to be filming a very random one-stop deviation of the 591 service, and it basically just serves another retirement village. So it's just one stop, but I'm filming all weird deviations in this series, so we'll just take a quick look. What is going on here? There's so many grasshoppers in this sand. Anyway, we'll just get on the bus right before the main intersection with the main road, just before the deviation, and I'll film that for you. Some grasshoppers. P2681 departed the Bridgewater Lifestyle Village stop deviation. Another one-stop deviation to a roundabout to U-turn. We've seen so many of these. Just comes down there. You can see it in the distance right now. It turns right there where it is right now. It turns right, comes down here, U-turns to the roundabout and stops here. Surprisingly, one person used it other than me. Pretty weird. This happens about 3 or 4 times a day. And it's basically just here to serve yet another retirement home. All of these deviations that we see in the series are mostly just for retirement homes, as well as this shopping center, I guess. But again, routes 592, 593 and 594 are all close by right there on the main road. So again, it doesn't really make sense why they need to sometimes deviate the 591. If they really wanted it to come here, it could just turn right before, like turn right onto the main road, which at the start of the video you just saw, it turns right. Like it goes straight, but it could turn right and then turn left here and pass this stop always. So yeah, pretty weird again. Anyway, there's a Coles here, but I'm gonna get on a 593 or 4 to get back now. A much faster route.